Today I did have a bullish bias after yesterday's candle, recovered Thursday and Friday's loss, so I was wanting higher prices. Asia and London session here was pretty much accumulation. We took the highs and the lows of both the sessions, so I was waiting for 9:30 market open. Originally I wanted price to trade lower, which it did. We swept the London low and then started to break up higher. We created that first presented gap, however we did not get the tap into there, and it looks like we took that minor buy side and then started to slow down. We did have 10 o'clock news which did inverse that gap, and the 10 o'clock candle was reacting off that first presented gap, so I wasn't ready to flip my idea on buys just yet. Just annotating some potential sells, very nice sells it did give if you were bearish today. However, I was waiting for price to come and take some sell side, come to a key level of mine, and then see if I can get a buy up, as that was my idea for today. So the first entry I do take here after we get kind of a messy confluence. However, I did execute. I started off with my stop loss down here, but once we got the order block, I did trail that stop a bit higher. And then when we get an inversion of the gap on this candle right here, I did put my stop to the low there as well. Wasn't able to go break even and did get stopped out on that, which was fine. So reanalyzing here, waiting for the 1150 to 1210 macro, just marking out here the high and the low of that move up, and what PD array is resting at that 50% level in discount was a 5-minute discount array. So we get the SMT there, we get a change in state of delivery as well, followed by an inversion, and a targeting low hanging fruit just to recoup the loss from the previous trade. And then going on to here in the PM, new 4 o'clock candle opens at 2 o'clock. Was leaning towards buys as we did have bullish order flow before this 2 o'clock open. So we are reacting off that 5-minute gap there. However, I wasn't expecting it to hold, and I did want to get some buys from the 5-minute below. However, we were disrespecting all the PD arrays lower, so I did flip the bias and started to look for shorts, as I thought the lunch low could be the draw. So tapping into here, the 2-minute fair value gap, followed by a 1-minute inversion, I entered, stop at the high, targeting a 1-to-1. I did manage to end the day in green after, even though I did have the wrong bias. These are the executions for all 3 of them trades.